So y'all, I wasn't even sure about this one. I was not sure about this one, but honey, there was a ram in the bush, and I'm going to tell you what it was. The secret to this wig really... Hey, cause hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slate today. Coming to you with a slate today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Now here we go with these big old industrial boxes. Everybody knows ain't nothing but one wig finna go off up in that box. You see, now the Bible says, do not be quickly provoked in your spirit. So I'ma calm down, but y'all can't keep doing me like this. Ooh, y'all, I had to get that off my chest. But hey, y'all, listen. So today we are doing Outre, formerly known as Outre, and this is their Maxie wig. Now, let me just tell you about Maxie, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and then I'm just going to do it, and you guys can just see. So Maxie is synthetic. You guys probably already know that. She is 12 inches and she is of a yaggy texture. She's curly. She's a 13x6 lace frontal wig. Okay. And I have ginger brown, I think. And it is so the love child of a ginger and a brown. The color is phenomenal. Okay. You have your strap in the back. Okay, if you want to go glueless, you can do that. Make it good, right, and tight, and everything's gonna be all right. Now, at first, I was not sure if I was gonna like this wig, y'all. I wasn't sure. I thought, like, okay, it's probably gonna be cool, but something told me, send that brush off up and through it. Now, you need to learn how to listen to your inner voice. Somebody out here needs to hear this message. I don't know who it is, but somebody has an inner voice, right? Look at that. Look at that. Somebody has an inner voice that has been trying to get their attention for the last 17 weeks. Listen to it, okay? But back to this wig. Y'all, when you brush this wig out, that's when the magic happens, okay? When you look at that color. That color combo is bananas. That color combo is spot on. I don't know if y'all realize how difficult that is to do. That's not easy, okay? It's not. It's not. You think it is, it's not. Listen, so once you figure out the color that may suit you, everything else is kind of, how you want to do. There's so many different ways to wear these wigs. Glueless, not glueless. You can have swooper dupes, no swooper dupes. You can wear it as... Now, this is a middle part. This is a given middle part. Okay, I'll say that because we all know there are ways. Okay? There are ways. If you want it to the side with pride, baby, we can do that, okay? Nothing and nobody, and I mean nobody, can stop us from achieving that side. Okay? Okay? Now, once you brush it out, get you a nice paddle brush though. The brush matters, okay? Because you don't want to like weigh down the curls. You want to brush it to keep that airiness about it. Now, I wanted to do the least amount of manipulation to it. So I did not put heat to the top of the roots, okay? If you have a wax stick, that'll kind of get those roots to flatten a little bit, because with these wigs, especially synthetic wigs, honey, those roots are high and mighty, okay? And you are not supposed to be self-righteous like that, okay? That is not the way. And honey, they be doing that like a mug. You have to get those roots under control, okay? Unless high roots is your thing, and if that's your thing, hey, hey, do what you do, okay? Now, of course, as I always say, when it comes to the swoop of the dupes, this is totally optional. You don't have to do this, okay? You can just not. All right. But I've been getting a lot of questions lately, which is why I have been doing more swoop-a-doops lately, because a lot of times I'll either use very minimal swoops on my wigs, especially braid wigs. Y'all know I do my bald head scallywag edges. But I've been getting a lot of questions on if you do want to wear the swoops to the side with pride and to the front, some, the ways to do it. So I've just been showcasing you different ways. Why? Because I went to hair school and I know what I'm doing. That's pretty much it, and that's pretty much all. Now, everything, you see that right there? We done swoop right over that middle part, honey, and I didn't even shift the wig to the side. You could shift the wig to the side too, okay? But that comes with its hosts of things, because then you're gonna have to chop a little bit to get the, the symmetry back and all of the things. If you don't want to do that, honey, you do what I just listen, use that wax stick to your advantage. Look at that. When you brush through those curls, and it doesn't, a good synthetic wig will still give you that curl body. Look at that. I brushed through this whole entire wig and those curls are still giving. It's like when you wear rollers for 2 days and then you take them out. See, some folk will put them in there one day and that's the flex. But when you wear them for 2 days, baby, and don't let you go to church and second service. And for real, don't let it be revival. Honey, you about to show out with those curls. Now, they're going to be tight, so you're going to have to brush through it like we did that wig. But overall, I love how Maxie turned out. I was pleasantly surprised, but I'm going to be honest, it all started with that brush out. Had I not brushed through it, I don't know if I would have had the same sort of excitement about this wig, but she turned out lovely. I would definitely utilize this wig for something formal, nice, cute, maybe a date night, something like that. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know what you think. Also, let me know what color you're gonna pick up, because there's a million of them, y'all. Peace, love, light.